Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode. So this is only going to be a short episode, as we've had a bit of a accident in the garage, let's say. Yeah, I could cry big time. So I'll flip the camera around and maybe it might give you an understanding of what's happened. So yeah, I've wiped it off here and all over the roof. And if you don't know what it is, it's the powder out of a fire extinguisher, because we've had a fire. It's all down there, it's everywhere, it's all over the roof, it's all on the inside. It just looks awful. So yeah, I don't know what happened, and I don't know why it happened. I went to turn the ignition on. Next thing I know, look, that heated up and it just followed down here. As you can see, it's burnt onto the hose. So actually, that should be right. I'll clean off. And as you can see, it's snapped in half. The whole cable. The cable's still in there, but it's in half, and the other half's over there. So I just need to get a cloth in a minute and just give this a nice wipe down, because I hate seeing it like this. It really does look awful. So I'm a bit annoyed, but I think anyone would be, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it does look awful. So what I'm going to say is I'm a bit demotivated, a bit low now. So yeah. So yeah, I wouldn't expect any like updates or anything soon, sort of thing. Just because it's just I've had enough of it today. So I'm gonna give it a bit of a break, give it a bit of rest, leave it in there and just let it sit for a bit, and then I'll come back at it and have a go. But I don't know. I really don't know what to do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll see you at some point.